Udolophu wesixeko saseGoli uDada Murero kunye nelungu lekomiti yophuhliso lwezoqoqosho kumasipala uCeba Nomoya Mnisi babhengeze ukuba isixeko sikulungele ukusingatha inkomfa yehlabathi yemanyano yemarike okanye iWorld Union of Wholesale Markets Conference. Le nkomfa isekelwe ukuqhubeka phakathi komhla we-14 nowe-16 kwinyanga ezayo kwiziko lengqungquthela laseSandton. Okanye ke injongo yalo msitho ukuxhobisa osomashishini ngeyona njongo ephambili yokudala amathuba engqesho nokukhulisa uqoqosho kwiphondo laseGauteng.
Saludumela Mantsompeni njengoba sekusele izinsuku eziyi-13 ngaphambi kwengqungquthela yomhlaba yezimakethe okuyi-World Union of Wholesale Markets. Namhlanje imeya yedolobha laseGoli uDada Murero ebambisene nelungu lomkhandlu khansela uNomoya Mnisi babe nesithangami nabezindaba njengoba iJohannesburg izosingatha ingqungquthela yomhlaba yezimakethe esithengisa kakhulu kusukela ngoMeyi 14 kuya ku-16 2025 ezobe iseSandton Convention Centre.
Our role as a city is to create an enabling environment where economic activity thrives, and it goes further to the street levels where entrepreneurs could engage with the agricultural economy. But our role does not stop at facilitation. We invest, we protect, and we innovate.
Post this conference, Joburg Market must be able to draw a strategic plan to use the agricultural economy as a source of job creation, SMME support, and sustainable farming, which will fight inequality, poverty, unemployment, and other social ills. As the political champion of economic development in this city, I stand before you not just to celebrate progress, but to challenge us all to push further. Transformation is no longer optional, it is urgent.
Lo mcimbi ihlose ukugqamisa ukubaluleka okukhulayo kwe-Afrika embonini yemikhiqizo emisha emhlabeni wonke kuzophinde kubhekwe nezindaba ezibalulekile ezifana nokuvikeleka kokudla, ukuguquka kwesimo sezulu kanye nokuthuthukiswa kwezimakethe. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngingonobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseJoburg Market.